Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 versus the Galaxy Watch. The Active 2 comes in 44mm and the Galaxy Watch comes in 46mm.
Guys, the stuff we go through to show you what these watches are like.
That piece of cake should never have happened today.
Please make sure you like and subscribe to our videos.
Oh, so there are different results, and we measured this preset course, and this one shows me a heart rate of 150, which I don't think I have.
We also tested the calling features via LTE.
How often do we stand in fields?
Oh, it's really scary. Halloween is creeping up.
And if you are new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 comes with a digital bezel. Its sensors have been improved and it has a sleek and lightweight design. The Galaxy Watch, on the other hand, comes with a physical rotated bezel and it looks more like a traditional watch. But where the difference comes in is with the battery life. The Active 2 comes with 2 days battery life, whereas the Galaxy Watch can actually take you up to 7 days. That's an enormous battery life.
That is, 7 days is huge. So both watches are water resistant up to 50 meters and both watches come in an LTE version. However, the price is amazingly different. Right, we paid for this one. This one is on offer. The Galaxy Watch is on offer. We only paid €300 for this one. And the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2 in LTE cost €469. That's massively different.
We are now checking the call quality for the Galaxy Watch for the OG one. And this is the LTE version. And we're going to see, oh, hang on. I have an incoming call. No surprise. Hello, wifey. Oh, I'm very scared. There's a field next to me and there might be Michael Myers creeping out any second. But what is the call quality? What is the sound for you?
You sound as clear as crystal. I am so impressed.
That's pretty cool because we've gone outside on purpose and I'm just going to move to the microphone so people can hear you in case you can't.
Hi everyone. The call quality at this end is clear as anything. I would not know that Jens is on a watch.
There you have it.
So I'm on the Active 2 44mm aluminium and we're testing call quality. I swipe to answer the call. Hi hubby.
Hello wifey, you sound like you're standing in a field.
I'm stood next to big sweet corn pieces.
Are you scared?
I'm always scared.
So what is the sound quality like? Because we've gone outside on purpose to see a real life test.
We sound like we're stood together. Is that clear?
Wow, so you sound really clear, I sound really clear on you, and it's a thumbs up, I would say.
It's a huge thumbs up.
So what did you think about the call quality?
I actually thought the call quality was excellent on both devices. I also think that if somebody is calling you, the caller will not know that you are speaking on a watch.
I felt exactly the same. I had no issues. It sounded really clear on the LTE watch and it was really good. We were also able to receive calls, receive text messages, do WhatsApp, stream music via Spotify, all of that without having the phone nearby. And that is obviously the perks of having an LTE version.
Absolutely. And a question for you.
Yeah.
Did you notice a difference in call quality between the two devices?
I didn't, actually. I did not notice the call quality. How about you?
Absolutely not.
I promise I'll be nice. I swear I'll treat you right.
Please make sure you check with your cell phone mobile phone provider because our multi-SIM/eSIM is included in our packaging. We don't pay anything extra. I know some of you guys have to pay $10 extra per month. And for us, it is really worth having the LTE version to have an independent standalone device if we are going jogging or whatever we want to do. And activating, literally 2 minutes, scanning a QR code, and that was it.
Oh yes, you guessed it. Fitness test with the Samsung Galaxy Active number 2 and the OG Galaxy Watch. I'm gonna run a preset course, and as always, I see you when I see you. That piece of cake should never have happened today. Whew. So there are different results. The Samsung Galaxy Active Watch number 2 shows me a distance of 0.61. The Galaxy Watch OG shows me a distance of 0.7. And we measured this preset course of 700 meters. This one is really in line with what we measured, and this one isn't. And this one shows me a heart rate of 150, which I don't think I have, because this one shows me 123. That feels more in line how I feel. Calorie-wise, 51, 68. You draw your own conclusion.
So it is fair to say that both watches offer fitness tracking features like automatic tracking and heart rate monitoring. However, if you want to get in deeper the health and fitness universe, then the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2 is the one for you. It offers an improved running coach and it monitors your pace in real time via GPS. And that is pretty cool.
So for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2, bear in mind it has the fall detection as well as ECG coming out next year, whereby the Galaxy Watch OG doesn't have that, and I'm sure it's not going to come because it has some hardware challenges you can't fix. However, by the way it is going with Samsung currently, I don't know if it's going to really come out or when it's going to come out, because FDA has not yet approved the ECG function, and we will have to see. But for the time being, I'm quite happy with the Galaxy Watch OG.
I actually think both watches are a great investment.
Do you think a watch is a piece of jewelry for a man?
I actually do. I think a man should have one major piece of jewelry, and that is a watch, because it also is kind of a statement to your personality, towards your personality. And when you go into certain meetings, whether that is a business meeting, a casual meeting, or a board meeting, you most likely look at other men's watches or you talk about watches. It is a fact of life. And that's why I believe a major piece of jewelry should be that watch. And the Galaxy Watch is that. It's a statement for sure.
That is a statement in itself. If you haven't decided which watch is for you, think about what you want from the watch. If you are wanting a pure fitness device, then you are looking at the Active 2. If you are looking at a traditional watch style with the added bonus of fitness, then you are looking at the Galaxy Watch.
Especially with that price difference of 170 euros. And I've seen this watch in an LTE version on Amazon for 225 US dollars. Come on, you can't go wrong with that.
So it's time to answer a few of your questions. We're starting with Raj, who says, can we use all the features of the Galaxy Watch Active 2, but with a non-Samsung Android phone?
Yes, you can, as long as you have the Android on the other phone. Then you just download the wearable app and it should all go as planned.
And what if you have an iOS device?
That is quite different. Sadly, no. We tested that in our video, popping up here or here. And simple features like making a phone call or receiving a phone call, it just didn't work.
The second question comes from Gulacha. Sorry if I pronounce your name incorrectly. Aluminium 40mm pink gold. I'm wondering who could help me make my decision.
So we would say yes, go for it. I would actually choose the 44mm because the 40mm, I haven't seen your hands how petite they are, but 44mm isn't that big on the Active 2 actually. But the pink looks pretty awesome.
It does. We saw it in store yesterday. Yes. The third question comes from John Foster, asking what's the price difference between the aluminium 44 and the stainless steel 44mm?
100 US dollars / euros. So 319 for the aluminium and 419 for the stainless steel.
Final question coming in from Vish. It says, just waiting to try it on hand to decide between the 40mm and the 44, and your advice is?
Go for the 44. Bigger is better.
If you have any questions, put them in the comments and we will try to answer them on our next video. So which watch would you choose? Would you choose the Active 2 fun packed with all those fitness features, or would you choose the traditional and handsome looking Galaxy Watch? Let us know in the comments below.
7 days battery life. Let us know in the comments below which one would you choose. Jens here from All Star Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
See you next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out.